This video shows you how to display only the right images related to the selected variant. First, go to the app and enable the Variant Images feature. Next, go to Products in Admin view and open the product you want to set up. In this example, I'm using a bucket hat product with 3 colors: black, denim, and pink. Step 1. Arrange images in the media list. Just organize your product images by variant groups, which means placing all black bucket hat images next to each other in the order you want. For example, first the plain product image, then the fitting image. Then do the same for denim and pink. Please note that the first image of each group in the media list is the primary image. This image determines which image group belongs to which variant. Step 2. Assign images to variants. After arranging the media list, you'll need to assign each primary image to its corresponding variant: black image to black variant, denim to denim, and pink to pink. Now, you can click on the preview to see how it works on your storefront. As you can see, when I select denim, only denim bucket hat images are shown, and they appear in the exact order I set earlier. First is the plain product shot, then comes the fitting images. That's all it takes to set up your basic variant.